So, good day, guys. You're welcome to my online class on Excel and our journey to become a data analyst. So, today, we want to look at these functions, conditional logic function. Conditional logic function, what are they? If, ifs, and nested if. That is what we are looking at today. So, in Excel, if, ifs, and nested ifs, they are conditional logic function used to test condition and return specific values. So you must know when to use this. If when you are given, you can use if when you are given single condition, maybe true or false. If I want to check true or false, I can use what? If. But we have multiple conditions, so we use what? Ifs. Especially we are using Microsoft 365, Microsoft Excel 365, and maybe Microsoft Excel Office 2021. You can make use of, you can see ifs there. But if you are using anything lower than that, you might not be able to see ifs. So that is bring us to what? Nested if. So in a lower version of Microsoft Excel, if there is no if there, you use what? Nested if. So now we are going to practice all these things. Now let's start because of our time. Now let's see. If let's start with what? If. Like I said, if is used to return a single what? Condition. For example, now true or false. So I want to use if here. I want to use, let me, I've already used if here. Let me just clear it and show you how it's being used. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, let me clear this. Now, I want to use if first. So it's equal to, that is first thing, if, then you double click on that if. Can we see? So I want to set if a particular student score above below 55, that means they failed. And when they scored above 55, that means what? They pass. So now that is what we are using to see two functions, either true or what? Or false. So let's see. If, so I'm now pick on this 76. Can we see? I'll click on that. So if H3 is greater than or equal to, I know what am I using? 55. Can we see? That is the test. That's what we are using to test. Can we see? 55. 55. What should the computer do? Can you see? You can see it. You can see it. Comma. You put your comma. So the next thing is what? Value if true. You write your value. What is the value if true? What do you want? That means if it is greater or equal to 55, that means the person is what? Promoted. Promoted. Can we see? So what do? We are through with that one. Now say the value, comma, can you see? Can you just follow this thing? Sorry, I need to put a column there. If not, we are not going to get our answer. So if not, we are not going to get our answer. So promoted. Promoted. Okay, you put your word comma. Then what next thing? Value if false. If false. So you put your another the column again. You must always remember to put that. If not, you will not get your answer. So value if false is what? Repeated. Repeated. So what next thing? Just now you can look at this. So look at this. So I want to show you something. So this, in the next line, the computer will tell that what? If 52 is greater than or equal to what? 55, that means promoted. But if it is what? If not, repeated. The next one, it will test for, but you are not the one that will be typing it. It will do it automatically. So what you just do the first one. Can we see? If 58, it will do. So let's now check whether we are going to get our answer. Can you see? We drag it down. So that is for if. Can we see? So we can say that. Now next thing, let's look at next one, which is what? Next one we have done if. Next one is what? Ifs. ifs. Let's look at ifs. So the ifs now, this one now we have just single function, which is what, promoted or repeated. But if we are looking at, we have multiple functions. Maybe want to show the grade of the student. For example, now A, B, C, D, E, and F. Can you see multiple functions? So we cannot use true or false here. So that is what brings us to what? To ifs. That's brings us to what? To ifs. So how do we do that? It's equal to, so the same thing is equal to, here now we are not using what? Ifs. We are using what? Ifs. So let's see. Ifs. Can we see? So we are still using the what? The same with the criteria here now, we are still using that this 76. If H3 is greater than, we are using check here. Can we see? The first one is what? 7. This one is just a guide. It's not that, it's just a guide. So now if H3 is greater than or equal to what? 70. So what do you want for 70? We put your comma. So what do we want our true value? Let's put our column. We said we want what? We want the system to give us what? A. Can we see? So then comma. Can we see? Next one. If we say that H3 is greater than or equal to, how we have next one? 60. What do we have for 60? We have what? Comma. What to be the true value? The true value should be what? B. The true value should be what? B rather. B. So comma. So next one, just click on this. Can we see? You click on this. Just click on it. So next one is H3 is greater than or equal to. So what to be the next one that we are using? We are using for say now 50. So 50. So what do we have? You put your comma. What to be the true value? If we are going to have what? Tell the system to give us what? It should return. What? C for us. It should return C. Then comma. So then if, so look at this. Next one again, you pick it. Can you see? It's greater than or equal to so we have done what? 50, minimum 40. So it should give us what? Comma. So what should it return? It should return what? D. Don't forget to put your column. D. We should have what? D. We have D. Then comma. So the next one is next one is what? Greater than or equal to, can see we have what? Or equal to 35. That means 35 to what? To 39. We should have what? E. Comma. Put your comma first. Just say, can you see comma? Then true value. Can you true value if true? If it's true, what do we have? Tell the computer to give us what? E. To return E. It will return E for us. It will return E. So now the last one is, that one will be a little bit different. Can you see? 0 to 34. That means less than 35. No, it's 0 to 34. That means less than 35 means 35 will not be included. Less than 35 starting from what? From 34 downward. So that means you just click on it again. Less than 35. Less than 35. So, comma. What should it return? It should return what? F. That is failure. So, I think we are done. So can we see? Enter. So I think I will stop here because the video is already 10 minutes. So the next one, if nested if you some of you might not see if on your system, but because of you are using lower version of what of Microsoft Excel. So how do you do it? So we are making use of what of nested if. So please subscribe to my channel. I will be do that one in my next video. So thank you. So you can see. So you can see this person promoted. What do you score? 76. 76 is between what? Is between what? 17 and 100. This person score 52. 52 is between what? 50 to 59. This person score 58. It's between what? 50 to 59. This person score 74. It's between 70 to 100. This person score 67, which is B. Is between what? Is between what? 60 to 69. So I think you understand clearly. Thank you. So